Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 30, 2024 to January 5, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. God bless you. And that's your way of showing support sa ating channel. Thank you. Okay, Aquarius. What is up this week? No energies. Excuse me. What are the energies for you, Aquarius, this week? Okay, serendipity. Change. Wow. Alam niyo, ang daming may nagbabago talaga. Because Pluto has changed its sign to Aquarius. So, definitely Aquarius, kayo ay makaka-experience ng fated transformation, fated changes. And it's been happening na, no? Nangyayari na yan sa inyo in the past few weeks. And ngayong week na to, mas mararamdaman mo na ito na talaga. Ito na yung change na gusto mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, meron na kayong plano, no? Nakaset na yung plano ninyo, but all of a sudden, biglang may nagbago. Oo, biglang hindi mo na tinuloy kasi may iba ka ng gustong i-pursue. For example, may plano ka na mag-abroad. So, set ka na, no? And then, something hit you. Like, parang may na-realize ka na, uy, teka lang. Mukhang hindi ko pala kailangan mag-abroad para maging fulfilled yung life ko. So, ganun. Can be any change. Hindi lang sa pag-abroad yan. Pwede ring reversal yung role. It's either gusto mong magstay rito sa Pilipinas or anong bansa na tinitirahan mo. And then, you suddenly realize na, teka, parang magandang opportunity yung ibang bansa. Okay? So, it's like, yung changes na to, ito yung may kinalaman sa destiny mo eh. It is your fate. O, diba? Wheel of Fortune. Your destiny. It is your destiny. Let's see what else. Aquarius. You have the 8 of Wands. Mabilis sa mga pangyayari. Maraming communication, offers, learning for you. You also have the King of Cups, the Magician. Wow. Aquarius, you are stepping into your own power. Marami ka natutuklasan sa iyong talento, sa mga kakayanan mo. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano gamitin yung mga resources mo. Yung mga tools na meron ka na para mas mapayabong or mapalawak mo pa ang iyong situation in terms of your career. So, if you're single, there's also a potential romantic connection for you. Pwedeng makikilala mo to sa school. Pwedeng makikilala mo to sa travel mo. Yeah, you have the Knight of Pentacles here. You're also focused on stability ng iyong finances, ng inyong career. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magninegosyo. Maaring for the longest time, kayo ay employed. Tapos, may na-realize kayo na isang business opportunity, business idea, and you think you are ready to do it. And napag-isipan mo na, nag-aral ka, ni-research mo na to, and you're ready to start. Handa ka nang simulan yan. So, you're going to welcome the new year with a new perspective in life. Oh, may recognition. Oh my God. May recognition sa inyo. Ayan. So, hindi magbabago ang inyong lakas, ang inyong stamina, ang inyong devotion sa inyong career path, sa inyong business, sa inyong pinupursue sa buhay. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are into content creation, social media, you will gain success, recognition, marami makakapansin sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo dito nagta-transition from having a day job, regular work, to becoming a full-time content creator or let's say affiliate, ganyan. Kasi ngayon, uso na yung mga TikTok affiliates or anything that you can earn money. Pwede kang kumita online, okay? Unconventional. So within 6 to 9 months, there is a romantic connection for singles, okay? For singles, possible na magkaroon kayo ng romantic connection with someone in the next 6 to 9 months. You're also going to be more confident, assertive, passionate. Grabe, ang lakas ng loob ninyo. Aquarius. Para i-pursue yung mga goals ninyo. And walang makakapigil sa inyo yan. Kasi, talagang, kayo, kumbaga, alam nyo na sa sarili nyo na this is the life that you want. Ito yung destiny mo, yung purpose mo. So, you really want to make the most out of it. You have, mag-ingat sa financial losses, okay? If meron kang mga decision sa pera, iwasan mo yung mga hindi sigurado. Kasi pwedeng maka-apekto sa finances mo yan. But your dream life is manifesting so quickly. Yes. Napakabilis. Diba? Sabi ko kanina may resources ka. You have enough resources to bring your desires into reality. Your income is increasing rapidly. Yes. Mas tumataas ang income mo. Mas may fulfillment sa career path mo, sa finances mo. But kailangan rin, hindi ka masyadong mag-take ng risk sa mga bagay na masyadong ng risky. I mean, it's okay to take some risk, but dapat yan ay tinatawag nating well-calculated risks. So relationship, game over. So yung iba sa inyo, you are ending a relationship, a situation, connection, friendship, and you are going to focus on your healing. Yes. Meron ka ng sense of worth and focus para sa sarili mo. Tapos na yung malulungkot na panahon, especially if you ended a relationship or nagkaroon ng separation, no, from someone. So you are now healing from that. Oh my God. 'Di ba? Papalag pa ba kayo dito, Aquarius? Ilang beses sinabi, pinoint yung change para sa inyo. So there's definitely change. A resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. Yes. Because there's something new na nagsisimula for you. Actually, this is a long process for you. Like, each and every time may pagbabago, be open to those changes kasi itong mga pagbabago na to will help you develop yourself, your character in general. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Good luck. Thank you so much and see you again.